Welcome back to Future Car, the place where innovation meets the road. Today, we're diving into an icon that has stood the test of time and evolved into something even more commanding: the Toyota Landcrowser. Yes, the Landcrowser is back, and it's blending legacy with modern tech in a way that's hard to ignore. For decades, the Landcrowser has been synonymous with durability, reliability, and off-road dominance. From the deserts of the Middle East to the rugged trails of Africa, this vehicle has proven itself over and over again. But now, Toyota has given it a new edge, keeping its roots alive while pushing into the future. The new Landcrowser comes with a bold, boxier design that immediately reminds us of the older 70 and 80 series models, a true nod to its heritage. But don't let the retro looks fool you. Underneath that classic silhouette is cutting-edge engineering. Toyota's new TNGA-F platform makes the vehicle lighter and stiffer, improving handling and off-road capability without sacrificing strength. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid powertrain in some markets, delivering power and efficiency in one package. It's not just about brute force anymore. It's about smart power, and Toyota has nailed that balance. Step inside, and the cabin is where the Landcrowser really surprises. Premium materials, advanced infotainment with a 12.3-inch display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a full suite of Toyota Safety Sense features. It's clear this SUV is made for the modern adventurer. Whether you're climbing mountains, crossing rivers, or just navigating city traffic, the Landcrowser is built to handle it all, and it does so with style, power, and comfort. If you love vehicles that blend tradition with innovation, this is one to watch. Make sure to subscribe to Future Car and hit that bell so you don't miss more deep dives into tomorrow's rides today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.